There have been rumors circulating on social media about Binny Collett and Tristan Cabrera, also known as Yawi. Fans have noticed that the popular Mobile Legends pro player has been frequently reposting TikToks related to Collett. This has led many to wonder if there's something going on between the two. For those who aren't familiar, Tristan Cabrera, or Yawi, is a professional Mobile Legends player in the Philippines. He has earned several championships in the ML scene, with one of his major achievements being his team's victory at the M4 World Championship in 2023. The rumors gained more attention when fans noticed Yawi's phone wallpaper during a live stream, right before his phone suddenly turned off. Yawi explained that there was no issue to spread, as he's simply a fan of Binny and there's nothing wrong with setting her as his wallpaper, just like many others do.
Ay, gago ka, napatay ko, Erp. Putik. Nakita pa yung... Nakita pa yung wallpaper sa cellphone ko, lala! Putak na! Hindi ko letak. Lala, putak. Sorry guys, sobrang fanboy lang talaga guys. Wala pa ako. Guys, sobrang fanboy lang ako, ginakibash.
The rumors picked up even more traction when Binny Joanna was asked in a recent interview if anyone is currently courting them. She answered honestly, saying yes, as it would be a lie to say otherwise. However, she emphasized that they aren't focused on relationships at the moment because they are prioritizing their careers. Joanna also shared in their live stream that there aren't enough hours in the day, so they can't dedicate time to their love lives right now.
Alam ko, wala daw love life ang mga Bini.
Wala po.
Oo. So, meron nanliligaw sa'yo, feeling ko.
Po?
May nanliligaw sa'yo. Siyempre.
Meron naman po. Apo. Pero hindi lang po talaga priority po.
Linawin ko, guys. I'd be lying pag sinabi kong walang nanliligaw sa atin. Normal na tao din naman po kami. Pero ang sinasabi ko dun sa interview, hindi po namin priority ang love life ngayon. Kasi kulang po ang 24 hours namin sa isang araw. Magla-love life pa po ba kami?
Yawi is also known for not staying long in his previous relationships, which led to some mild hate from fans. Collett even called out the public to stop linking them to these rumors since there is no truth to what people are assuming.
May nakababasa kong issue niyo sa akin.
In my opinion, there's nothing wrong with Yawi being a fanboy and using Collett's photo as his wallpaper. Many fans do the same thing and there's no harm in it. We need to remember that we don't control the lives of our idols, and we can't dictate their decisions. Let's all respect their privacy and stay out of their personal lives, as that's the right thing to do.
Ang ano yung mga sinasabi nila sa tweets na okay lang, Jo, basta wag yung ganitong mukha, wag yung ganitong mukha.
Talagang grabe!
Guys, hindi nyo makokontrol kung sinong gusto namin sa buhay. That's it.